evening, one and all. Welcome to Unacademy. Yes. So, part 2 regarding geometry and mensuration. Let's see again some of the best questions, right? Which are equivalent to the CAT level, right? So, the questions will be trickish. Little bit focus on the logic there, right? So, let us start the class. Before start of the class, let me introduce myself. This is NLN Sharma, and my best CAT score was 99.83 in 2011, and these are my credentials, right? When you use my code NLN10, yes, you will get 10% discount. You will be getting guidance of all these subjects from me. Why me? I'm ranked 33 in overall category of GATE and ESC and rank 1 in math and chemistry category. I have dealt more than 50,000 plus students till date for CAT, UPSC and GATE and ESC. Many students were asking me, sir, what is the difference between plus and iconic? What are the advantages when we choose iconic over plus? One such greatest advantage in Iconic is you will be assigned with a personal coach. One-to-one live mentorship will be available with your coach and educator so that you can speak with them personally about your difficulties facing so that you will be getting best solutions to overcome that. One more greatest advantage is personalized test analysis. This is what most of the students need, right? So most of the students complain with this, sir. We have completed the entire syllabus, but we are not able to solve the questions. We are not able to apply the things onto the question. This is where your coach will be helpful. Each and every test will be analyzed and your mistakes are identified. They are rectified so that your score will be boosted. Of course, whatever you get in plus, you will get in Iconic also. How much you have to invest? If you are choosing plus and if you are opting for 24-month subscription, it will be costing you on an average of 50 rupees per day, the lowest, where you will get India's the best educators to teach for you. Now, when you use my code NLN10, you'll get my guidance and my entire group guidance, and you will get 10% off. After 10% discount, the price will be 3,550, 24 months. For 12 months, it will be 24,750 after discount when you use my code NLN10, and this is for 18 months. Coming to Iconic, so it will be 41,175 after discount when you use my code NLN10 for 12 months and for 18 and 24 months. Of course, right? So we have an incredible offer, right? Where normally you get 10% discount when you use my code NLN10, but you will be getting flat 20% discount when you use my code NLN10 between July 18th and 22. So this offer ends within 1 hour. 11:59 p.m. is the last time. So do try to subscribe those who are serious to join the best quality courses. Yes and yes. So these are the all India mock tests, the timings. So do try to enroll for this mock test. Unlock this mock test using with my code NLN10. Yes. So shall we start the class there? Yes. And again, today's questions are also very, very interesting. Please do try to hit the like button here so that I can reach to more number of audience there. Let's come. So we have done all these questions yesterday. So I'll forward the notes to the Telegram groups and also the communities so that you can you can see these questions again there. I will solve this question. Next question must be solved by you, right? Okay. Observe the question carefully. In the adjacent figure, QB and RC are common tangents to circles with center as A and B, with BCQR being the points of tangency. Everybody know when it touches only at one point on the circle, it is called tangent. Length of AB is given as 3, it seems. Okay, fine. So I'll take down like this. AB length is, so I'll take down in blue ink. AB length is given as 3. Okay. Any other point given there? Now, what is the first question asked? If PQ length is 9, so PQ length, I'll take down PQ length is, if PQ length is 9, okay. Any other point? What is the measure of angle QPA is the question asked. Okay, so this length is given as 9, it seems here. Chalo, now observe there. I'll draw a line segment from A to P. Now closely up, is this a straight line? No, this is not a straight line. So parallel tangents, I see, I'll draw a line segment which is exactly parallel to this point there. Now see, this is exactly parallel point there. Now I'll take down this point. I hope so you understand it, as I'm assuming that you are strong in the basics. I'm doing this question series. Now closely observe there, this AB length and this part, I'll take down this part as X. is nothing but equal to 3. Now see here, this XP length will be equal to 6. Now, what is the question asked? Angle QPA. This is the question asked. Now everybody know, as this is exactly parallel line, the angle will be 90 degrees. Yes, perfectly right. So this is 90 degrees. Now by Pythagoras theorem, I can solve the question there. Now see here, up to here, this length is nothing but equal to 3. This length is nothing but equal to 9. Everybody know about this. So automatically, what will be my AP length? AP length will be equal to 12. Closely observe there. Now this is the right, what are the parallel sides? I mean perpendicular sides. AX, so is one perpendicular side, XP is one perpendicular side, and AP. These are the line segments of this right angle triangle. Everybody know XP का length कितना था? 6. AP का length is 12. This is a right angle triangle. You closely observe there. The ratios are in the pattern of 1:2. And we have only one special triangle in this format there. How many of you know this? Hypotenuse value is 2 and this is 1. This has to be damn surely root 3. Am I right or wrong? And the angle should be 30 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees triangle. Am I right or wrong? Will you accept with me? 30, 60, 90 degrees only will be having in this format called 1:2, root 3:2. Now observe there, what will be this value? 6 root 3. AX value is 6 root 3. Now BQ is nothing but exactly parallel, right? So BQ value will also be 6 root 3. Now closely observe there, if this is 6 root 3, now you are asked to find out this angle. Angle opposite to 6 root 3 will be equal to how much? Is it 60 degrees? Already you have observed here there. Now what is your option there? Option B. How many of you got this point there? Exactly done. So we will do more such questions like this. Now I am expecting you guys to solve this question here. Same question, different pattern, right? I have changed the logic there. See, I will be giving you 2 minutes for this. Let's see how many can solve this. I'm waiting for the best answers. So where is Bhavesh? Expecting more number of students today here. Try this. Same data. So I'll write down the data which is same to this, right? So I'll take down AB length and which is given as 3. So this is PQ. Things which are common, I'll write down the same thing there. Now, see, it's not exactly parallel. This will be the exact equal value there. Everybody know this is 3. This value will also be 3. I'll take down this point as X. I'll not disturb you in between. I don't know about this completely. 1 minute more. Sticker, Pralay. Pralay is there in my class. Bhavesh is there in my class. Anshita Gupta is there in my class. So if you be continuous, right? Trust me, I'll deal the best questions. And BQ value is given as 6, it seems. Now BAXQ will form a quadrilateral and see opposite sides are equal. So automatically BQ and AX must also be equal. Am I right or wrong? So by this also I can decide this now. So my BQ value is given as 6 in the question itself. So my AX value will also be 6. 3 seconds more. Any answer? And so if you're not active in the class, I'll directly solve the questions and leave the class here, right? So I'm giving you time to put your pen on the paper, right? Right. See, right? Anybody got the answer there? Nobody. Chalo. And again, you are asked to find out angle QPA. This is the angle that you are asked to find out. I don't know the radius of this PQ. It is not given in the question there. So I'll take down this as R. Now, how much will be this value? This value will be R minus 3. Will you accept with me? Yes. And everybody know from A to this point, it is radius, which is nothing but 3. From this point to P, it is nothing but radius of the larger circle R. Now, everybody know I have drawn an exact parallel line. Now this will be 90 degrees. Yes or no? 30 degrees. No, Naman, it is not 30 degrees. Now observe there AXP, triangle AXP is a right angle triangle. Okay. Now in this, what are perpendicular sides? 6 square plus r minus 3 whole square is equal to r plus 3 whole square is nothing but hypotenuse side. By this I can find out my r value. Then automatically I can get the answer there. 36 plus r square plus 3 square is nothing but 9 minus 3 into 2 into r minus 6r is equal to r square plus 9 plus 6r. Am I right or wrong? So on LHS, RHS, r square plus 9 will be cancelled off. 12r is equal to 36 and my r value is nothing but equal to how much here? 3. So r value is 3 matlab, so x to p value will be 0. So by this what can I say? There is no gap in between ax and ap. Am I right or wrong? There is no gap between ax and ap. They collude each other, right? They collude by one another. Automatically what is the angle there? If they collude to one another, a and p lie on the same straight line and it is exactly 90 degrees. My option number C. Done. I hope so you got my point there. Exactly done. Done. Very good. Let's come to the next question. Let us see how many can solve this. So I got 4 questions in this series here. 2 minutes. Try this. I'll keep this one second. Try this. Same question. I mean, the secondary data changed there. If QB and RC extended, meet at O and length of OA is, so I'll get some more best questions on this series also, right? So see here, I'll add one more circle into this funnel. Automatically see here what will be the radius of, what is the pattern of radius of this circles in this funnel, and it follows geometry progression. I'll deal all those questions. Tomorrow you'll get the best questions. 1 minute more. Seconds more. Any answer for this? Now, if QB and RC extended, meet at O and length of OA is 9 units. And what is PQ length is asked, means you are asked to find out radius of the larger circle. Am I right or wrong? So you can do this question by similarities of triangles approach here. You might have done this type of questions very frequently, right? If you are serious aspirant for CAT, might have seen these questions. 15 seconds more. Answer. So be active in the class. If you are liking the session, just hit the like button, right? No. See, QB and RC are extended, it seems. So I'll take down like this. They extended like this, it seems. Now OA length is, now see, this is O. Take down like this, OA length. I'll extend up to PR. Now everybody know this length is already given. The basic question itself, AB length is 3 and PQ length, this is what your question is asked. So PQ I'll take down as radius R. I'll take down as radius R. And this length is given as 3. And OA is nothing but given as 9 in the given question there, 9. So this will be 3. This will be R. And we have one property. How many of you remember this? So radius of the circle will make 90 degrees with the tangent. Tangent perpendicularity theorem. Am I right or wrong? Can I write this way? Yes. You closely observe there. I can observe 2 triangles here. Let us write down this there. I am observing a triangle called, one second, observing a triangle called PQO and I'm observing one more triangle called triangle ABO. And these two triangles are similar by AA property, angle property. How? See here, both the triangles has 90 degrees common angle, and O is the common angle for both the triangles there. By this I can say these are similar triangles. Okay. Then observe in this PQO triangle, I'll take down PO length. PO length is similar to AO length because they reside on same base. And automatically radius PQ will be similar to radius of this triangle AB. Now what is PO length? PO length is 9 plus 3 plus R. Is it 12 plus R? Yes, it is 12 plus R. What is PQ length? PQ length is nothing but radius of the circle R. What is AO length? Already you know AO is nothing but equal to 9. How much is AB? Is it 3? So this becomes 3R and this R goes to that side, which become 2R. 2R is equal to 12. And my R value is nothing but equal to how much, ma? Is it 6? Yes, it is 6 and my answer is B. I hope so you got my point there. So application of the properties, geometry questions can be solved within seconds here, right? Even not more than 1 minute for sure. So the last question in this series, let's see how many can solve this. And again, I am giving you 2 minutes for this. So try it sincerely, right? So check where you are going wrong, then automatically only corrections will help you to improve your skills in solving the questions more. The same question. In the previous question, if OA is equal to 5, same data, OA is equal to 5, then what is the length of AP is the question asked. Length of AP it seems. Let's see. Answers 40 seconds more. Be active, yeah. Be active in the comment section box. There is no one will judge you here, right? It's all our practice session. If you are going wrong, correct it. Answer your things in the comment section box. 30 seconds more. Any answer? Data is same in the previous question. If OA is equal to 5. Patidar, Pralay Mehta, you were there in the class now. What happened? Chalo, right, I'll take down. Same thing. Say previous question matlab QB and RC are extended to meet at O. QB and RC are extended to meet at O. Sorry, wrong it. Perfect. Now see here, I'll extend this one. Everybody know AB length is given there. And see, PQ is nothing but radius of the larger circle. Data given there is AB length is given as 3. The data given there. Now we don't know about the radius of this PQ. I'll take down as R. And this is R up to here. This is 3. Now OA length is given as 5. Now what is the question asked? What is the length of AP? I can use the same concept now. See here, tangent perpendicularity theorem. Everybody know radius of the circle will make 90 degrees with the tangent. And here also radius of the circle will make 90 degrees with the tangent. By this I can decide there triangle PQO and triangle ABO are similar triangles by AA property because they have a common angle called angle O. and both has 90 degrees. By AA property I can decide these are similar triangles. And again up they go, right? In this, there in PQO, PO length will be similar to AO length, everybody know, and radius PQ will be similar to AB length, similar triangles now. So I can take down this data. What is PO? PO is nothing 5 plus 3 plus R, so 8 plus R divided by PQ length is nothing but called R. Now how much is AO? AO is nothing but given as 5. AB length is given as 3. So 5R is equal to 8 3s are 24 plus 3R. So automatically 2R is equal to 24, R value is equal to 12. Now you are not asked to find out PQ length, you are asked to find out AP length of code. Right? So 12 plus 3 add, answer will be 4,000. If you got this, yes, yes, Naman, very good. Yes, Rajan, very good, excellent. So one such questions on parallel tangents, right? All common tangents and all these things. So let's go with the next one. This is a previous question, not exactly the PYQ. Diagram was not given in the examination, so I have given this diagram. In the given figure, find the radius of the smaller circle. If two larger circles each have a radius of 1 unit, keep it as 1 unit here. You are asked to find the radius of the smaller circle. It's in this one. So try this. I'll be giving you 2 minutes for this. Let's see how many can solve this. Two larger circles each having a radius of 1 unit. This was asked in 2020 CAT, similar type of question. In that they have given in verbal format, you have to draw the diagram, but here I have drawn the diagram. Those who are joining the class, please do try to hit the like button here. One minute more. 0.25 Raman Thotla. Might be your right. So anyone saying the same answer, I'll stop the poll and I'll do it. So Raman, right? This is an easy question, na? So I'll end the poll. Raman have given the answer. Let's see whether he's right or wrong. So this is the center of the circle for this. So I'll be taking down radius of the circle as this one. Now see here, this is also radius of the circle here. You closely observe there, this is the center of this circle. This is the center of the small circle. Take down the length here up to here. So here. And I'll take down this line segment also like this. 1 second. So here. If you closely observe there, this length is 1 unit here. Now this is, so I'll take down the small radius, I'll take down the smaller circle radius as like this. 1 second. Now what will be the, I'll take down this radius as R and this value will be 1. So finally total length will be how much, R plus 1. Am I right or wrong? This length will be how much? R plus 1. Yes, perfectly. Now how much will be this length? Now you closely observe there. I can take down like from here to here. This is nothing but equal to total radius of the larger circle called 1. In this, how much you are removing there? You are removing R. So automatically what will be this value there? Is this nothing but called 1 minus R? Will you accept with me? So those who can understand this can easily solve the question there. From here to here, right? See, I'll draw a parallel line. You can understand this. See here, this is nothing but called 1. In this, you are removing this value called R. So 1 minus R is left over. So by Pythagoras theorem, now this is your 90 degrees angle there. By Pythagoras theorem, can I write down this as 1 square plus 1 minus r square is equal to 1 plus r square? Will you accept with me? And we have done a similar type of question like this, right? So 1 plus r square minus 2r is equal to 1 plus r square plus 2r. Okay, now see here, 1 plus r square will get cancelled off. 1 is equal to 4r. My r value is equal to 1 by 4. Yes, Raman gave me the answer there, but 0.25. Similar type of question was asked in CAT 2020, right? Hope so you remember. Those who are, preparing for CAT, right, seriously, you might have solved all the PYQs. Now, this is also one more PYQ, not exact PYQ. It was asked in a similar fashion. Let's see how many can solve this. 2 minutes. Some around 2011, 12, before 2010 only, man. This question was asked in CAT examination before 12 when it was paper and pencil. In the figure, AB is a chord of circle with center O. It is extended to meet the diameter PQ at R such that OB is equal to BR. OB is equal to BR. Okay. Angle ARP is nothing but given as X degrees. And angle AOP is given as KX degrees. What is the value of K is the question asked. See how many can solve this. Rajan, Naman, Raman. All starts with Shikhar. Anshita Gupta, right? Where she is today? Sai. They're my regular students. Seconds more. Seconds more. No answer. क्या हुआ राइट आपको? बेसिक ट्रायंगल प्रॉपर्टीज ना रमन. अब देखो, in the figure, AB is a chord of circle with center O. It is extended to meet the diameter PQ at R such that OB is equal to BR. Now OB is equal to BR. If you closely observe there, OBR is an isosceles triangle. Angle ARP, this is angle ARP beta and this is given as X degrees it seems. Now closely observe there, triangle OBR is an isosceles triangle. Angles opposite to equal sides will be equal. Now angle opposite to this X, now this will also be X degrees. How many will accept this? And you closely observe there, I'll take down one more line segment from AOP and this is the point given there. What is the point given there? Angle AOP. This is your angle AOP beta and this was given as KX degrees. Okay, fine. I can write down one more point. Observe triangle AOB. In triangle AOB, AO is radius, OB is radius. And angles opposite to equal sides will be equal. Yes, perfectly. Now closely observe there. This is nothing but called exterior angle to triangle OBR. Exterior angle of a triangle will be equal to sum of interior most opposite angles. Sum of interior most opposite angles is nothing but 2x degrees. If this is 2x degrees, angle opposite to equal sides will also be 2x degrees. Now this is 2x degrees. Now how much will be this? This will be 180 minus 2x degrees. Am I right or wrong? Because sum of the angles of a triangle must be 180 minus 4x degrees, right? I hope so you got my point there. Now combinedly all these angles together will be, sum of the adjacent angles will be equal to 180 kx degrees plus 180 minus 4x degrees plus x degrees is nothing but equal to 180 degrees. Hope so you got my point there. This 180 gets cancelled. Kx is nothing but kx degrees is nothing but equal to minus 4x plus x will be minus 3x. Come to this side will become 3, and my k value is equal to 3. Most of the students confuse and they write down as 4. Raman gave me the answer there. Excellent. Basic triangle properties, right? Nothing more than that. Let's come to the next question. Now, this is one such finest question I have seen in one block. I got this question there. Let's see how many can solve this. And again, this is also basic triangle properties here. Those who know right angle triangle properties, Pythagoras theorem, can solve this question very, very easily. And again, a little bit twist of a previous PYQ only, this one. So Vaibhav, right? So if you are so interested, I have done a playlist right from basic to the highest level. You can watch that. That will be helpful for the examination. I'll share that playlist to the Telegram groups, right? If you are in any Telegram group of our Unacademy, I'll share that there. Limited only, right? We have only limited properties. Application of that properties you have to learn, right? But when you are aiming at toughest Asia's toughest examination, you should learn all these things, right? Now, how many of you got this answer there? In a right triangle ABC. In a right triangle ABC, B is the right angle. A circle with center O located on AB. Okay? A circle with center O located on AB is drawn such that AC and BC are its tangents. Okay? If AO is to BO is 25 is to 24 and the length of the perimeter is 392 centimeter, find the length of AC is the question asked. We'll take the diagram there, then we can understand it what we are doing. Here. So the point here is this is AB, because why I have drawn AB like this means you can closely observe there AO is to BO ratio is separate. So certainly A is not on this top of the circle. I mean on the circumference of A point is. So I'll draw this. Now see, this is a tangent. This is also a tangent. I'll take down like this. This is A. This is B. I hope so I met the conditions of the given question. Now angle B, right angle it seems. B is right angle. Now see here, this is center of the circle. I'll take down this as O. Now closely observe there AO. I'll take a common factor because this is a ratio. I'll take down as X. So AO is 25X. Now how much is BO? BO is nothing but called radius of the circle, which is nothing but called 24X. Okay, now what is the question asked? AC length. Now dekho beta, this is also radius of the circle. Will you accept with me? Yes. I will take down this point as D. How much is this? This is also 24X. And you closely observe there. BC and AC are tangents. Okay, fine. Now, OD is nothing but radius. AC is nothing but tangent. Radius of the circle will make 90 degrees with the tangent. By this I can write down. Triangle AOD is a right angle triangle. And what are the perpendicular sides? AD square plus 24x whole square is equal to 25x whole square. What will be AD value? How many of you got this value there? AD value will be 7x now, because this is 625x square minus this will be 576. So 25, 26 will be 49. Am I right? So AD value will be 7x. How many of you got this value there? So I'll take down this 7x. Now everybody know one more point. When you draw two tangents from an external point onto the circle, when you draw two tangents from an external point onto the circle, those two tangents will be of equal length, and everybody know about this property. Now from C you have drawn up to B. Now BC length will be 5, and therefore DC length will also be equal to 5. Why not 5? Why? Now I will be calculating my AC length there. Now ABC is a right angle triangle where AB square 25 plus 24 is nothing but 49x square plus y square. BC length, these are perpendicular sides, is equal to y plus 7x whole square. I can calculate by this easily, right? Let's do this. 49x is nothing but 2401. How many of you know this? So you have to know the squares there. Yesterday only I have seen a faculty teaching how to calculate squares fastly. Right? Y square is equal to, this is y square plus 49x square plus, this is nothing but 2 7s are 14xy. Everybody know y square gets cancelled. 2401 minus 49 will be how much, beta? Declare this. 2352 x square divided by 14 is nothing but equal to xy. X and x gets cancelled now. 2352 by 14 is nothing but equal to 168. So y value is nothing but equal to 168x. By this, my AC value will be how much, ma? Everybody know 168x plus 7x. Is it nothing but called 175x? Yes. You might get a doubt there, sir. How should I remove this x value? Here you can easily remove because the data given there, perimeter of this triangle is 392. Add these all things there, 49x plus 168x. Y value is 168x plus 175x. This will be equal to 392 only. You can check there. Yes, 9 plus 8, 17. Perfectly, ma. You can check there. 168 plus 175 plus 49 is 392. So by this my x value will be equal to 1. My answer AC value is nothing but equal to how much, ma? Is it 175x? Yes, it is 175. Is my answer there. So basic properties of the triangles and circle properties will help you to solve this question very easily. So how many of you got this? Clear? Any doubts, you can post me in the comment section box here. I'll explain it again and again. Don't worry about that. Let's come to the next one. Again, let's see how many can solve this. If you know the formula of incircle, circumcircle, then only you can solve this question easily, or otherwise it will take a little bit more time. Let's see how many can solve this. In a right angled triangle LMN, the two perpendicular sides LM and MN measure 7.5 centimeter and 10 centimeter respectively. I hope so. You remember the formula of circumcenter, circumradius, and in radius. Those who know this can solve the question very easily. So I'm touching wide varied questions. You try to watch this. Trust me, you'll get full to full marks in your CAT quant section, whatever geometry question it was asked. Please do try to hit the like button here. So see, hit the like button, automatically I can reach to the audience. Any answer for this? In a right angled triangle, it seems LMN, the two perpendicular sides LM and MN measure 7.5 centimeters and 10 centimeters respectively. If in radius of triangle LMN is small r centimeter and circumradius of triangle LMN is capital R centimeter, which of the following must be true is the question asked. Automatically, as it was given circumradius and in radius, I will take a circle there, make sure that it will be easy for me. This is a circle, it seems. The point given here is triangle LMN is there. It is a right angle. L. The perpendicular sides are LM and MN. It seems it was there. Your right angle triangle, then perpendicular sides. LM length is given as how much? 7.5. 7.5. MN length is given as 10. I have to take one more circle in circle also na. Until I cannot do this circle, draw like this. This is in circle. Now closely observe there. This is nothing but called your in radius. All are. Let's calculate this. Capital. What is capital R? What is the radius of the circumcircle in a right angle triangle? Did anybody got this idea? First of all, by Pythagoras theorem, let us find out. Yes, Mayank, it is worthwhile, right? So you are asking me an educator whether it is worthwhile or not. Certainly they are up to industry standards. So observe this question there, 156.25. Is it 12.5? Let me know. Yes. So my ln value by Pythagoras theorem, it is nothing but 12.5. ln value. Now, how many of you know circumradius formula? If you know this, automatically you can, capital R is nothing but circumradius is equal to ABC by, ABC means length of the sides of the triangle, divided by 4 into A. A means area. So observe there, capital R is equal to, what is your A value? 7.5. Let us suppose take like this. B value is nothing but equal to 10. And my C value will be 12.5. Everybody know about this. Divided by 4 into area. 4 into area of the triangle is nothing but half into base value is 10. Height value is 7.5. Understood? Yes. By this, what can I do? 10, 7.5 will get cancelled off. Ones are 2, 2s are, it will be 12.5 by 2. Everybody know this is nothing but equal to 6.25. In a right angled triangle, circumradius will be equal to half of the hypotenuse. That everybody knows. So I can write down this R is equal to hypotenuse ln divided by 2 whatsoever. In a right angle triangle, circumradius will be equal to half of the hypotenuse. Let's come to the in radius. Capital R into S is nothing but called semi perimeter, which is nothing but equal to area. To accept with yes. Semi perimeter is nothing but A plus B plus C by 2. What is A plus B plus C by 2? So A is 7.5, 12.5 is nothing but 20. 20 plus 10, 30. 30 divided by 2 into in radius small r is nothing but equal to radius area of the triangle, half into 7.5 into 2 gets cancelled, 0 0 gets cancelled, and my r value is 3.5. 3 is 7.5 by 3. 7.5 by 3 is nothing but equal to 2.5. Am I right or wrong? Yes. Closely observe there. This is your capital R. What is the relationship between capital R and small r? So R is 6.25. Capital R is nothing but equal to small r whole square. 2.5 whole square will be equal to 6.25. The relationship there, and my option number C satisfies there. In this entire scenario, those who know the formula of in radius, those who know the formula of circumradius can solve this question very, very easily. If you try to solve with this another approaches, right, it will take so much of time to solve the question. I hope so. I am clear. Yes. Sure. Let's go for the next question there. Similar type of question here. Let's see. Okay, chalo. Let's see how many can solve this. As let us acquainted with the formulas of circumradius and in radius. I want you guys to answer this question. Try this. So at least, right, I'll make you to solve more than 600 different type of questions now. I'll not repeat the same pattern question again and again. More, thirty seconds more. Any answer? No answers, right? Raman, Vaibhav asked me a doubt. Basic question, na? Let's solve it. In a triangle PQR, PQ is 12, PR is 15. Let X be a point on QR such that PX is perpendicular to QR. If length of PX is 9 centimeter, find the radius of the circle circumscribing PQR. Circumscribing means we'll be taking down like this. There is a triangle PQR like this. I don't know whether it is an equilateral triangle or something. I'll take down PQR. The thing given there, PQ is given as 12 centimeter. PR is given as 15 centimeter. Let X be a point on QR such that PX is perpendicular, it seems. I'll take X value. X is perpendicular to QR such that PX is given as 9 centimeter. Find the in radius. Their basic formula only now. So circumradius R is equal to ABC by 4 into area. Those who know this formula can solve the question there. Fatafatna, na? I'll take down A value as 12, value as 15, C value as nothing but QR. Okay. Divided by 4 into half into area of the triangle. Base value is QR and height value is PX because it is given as perpendicular. So I'll write down 9. QR gets cancelled. So this will be 2, 6, 2 are 3, 5. What is your circumradius answer there? R is equal to 10. Good basic question. Thought you guys will solve this question immediately. Go. Why are you so dull today? Right? And again, let's see how many can solve this, right? So this is a little bit typical question here. You have to know a little bit of trigonometry also. If you know trigonometry, then you can solve this question very, very easily, right? Let's see how many can solve this. So people might think that this can be solved with Apollonius theorem or Stewart's theorem, but it is not that much easy, right? 1 minute more. Any answers? Try one test, Mayank, then you can decide it, right? Depends upon the perception of the. Some students want more toughness in verbals, more toughness in LRTI, based upon their weak sections. No answer. Over, right? First, I'll take a triangle there. In a triangle ABC, angle A is 60 degrees, it seems. Triangle ABC. AB is an angle by AD is an angle bisector, it seems. Okay, fine. So AD is an angle bisector given there. So automatically this angle bisector will divide the angle at the vertex into two equal halves. This becomes 30 degrees and this becomes 30 degrees. Everybody know about this. Side AB is nothing but 8. Side AC is nothing but 10. Calculate the length of AD is the question asked. 4 root 3. No, yaar. No, yaar. No, Rajan. So, dekho, we have a formula, right? How many of you know this? When you know the angle of one vertex and the sides attached to the angle, then area of the triangle will be, no, yaar, half into AB sine theta. How many of you know this? When you know the angle attached to the vertex and the line and the sides attached to that angle, then automatically area of this triangle is half AB sine theta. So total area of the triangle ABC is nothing but equal to half into, I know this, right, half into 8 into 10 into sine 30, sine 60, sorry, 60 degrees, which is nothing but equal to triangle ABD plus triangle ADC. Will you accept with me? Yes. So I'll calculate this. अब देखो ध्यान से, half into, right, AD value to, now see this one, B, two sides attached, right, 8 into sine 30 degrees plus half into ADC triangle, half into, right, your B, this one is 10 and AD value into sine 30 degrees. Hope so you got my point there. Now you can solve this question very easily. So 2 ones are 2 fours are sine 60 is nothing but equal to how much more? Root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 is nothing but equal to 20. So this is 20 root 3. Will you accept with me? Is equal to half into, this is 4. Sine 30 is nothing but equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is nothing but called 2AD plus how much will be, this is also 2 ones are 2 fives are, so 5AD sine 30 is 1 by 2, 5AD by 2, 5AD by 2. Automatically this will go to that side, which will become 40 root 3 is equal to 2 twos are, this is 9AD. Right or wrong? So my AD value will be how much? My AD value is nothing but equal to, is it 40? Yes, 40 root by 9. My answer there, yes. So guys who know this formula, right, this is what, right, application of properties is nothing but you have to know derivations. Nobody will ask you to derive the formulas, right? So CAT is purely applicative format. Okay, my option number B is true. So how many of you got this answer there? Clear? We'll do 2 more questions, then I will end the session there. Now this is one of my favorite question here. This I took it from IMS test series, right? Once check this, see how many can answer this. New students added. Minute more. Seconds more, yeah. Any answers for this? Expecting the best answers from you. A circular table is pushed into the corner of a rectangular room in such a way that it just touches two adjacent walls. An ant crawling on the table rim on the minor arc between the 2 points of contact observes that it is 8 inch from one wall and 1 inch from the other, it seems. Find the diameter of the table is the question asked. So I'll take down the table first of all. This is a circular table. So it is pushed into the corner of a rectangular room, it seems. I'll take down like this. Now, is this nothing but call your minor arc? And your ant is here, it seems. This is your ant. And this has a ant. Now, it is 8 inch from one wall. So I'll take down like this. It is 8 inch from one wall. And it is 1 inch from other wall. Am I right or wrong? Is this the point given there? 8 inch from one wall of the rectangular room. And it is 1 inch from one wall. Okay, fine. Now, this is your center of the circular room. This is, you are asked to find a diameter of the table. And you closely observe there, observe here. Can I take down, this is nothing but call your radius of the, this is nothing but your radius of the, okay, I'll take, this is nothing but your radius of the table there. Perfectly done. Closely observe there. Here to here it is radius. But I need only up to here only. So see here, I'll write down the lines. I need only up to here only. This is what I need right now. So what should I eliminate here? See, I don't need this. How much is this value beta? Totally this is radius now. Now you have removed 8 inches. Now this value is nothing but equal to r minus 8. Because as I am considering this as radius of the, now how much will be this? You closely observe there. I'll take down this line segment up to here. This is nothing but exactly equal to this. How much did you remove there? 1. Am I right or wrong? So this value is nothing but equal to from radius I have removed 1 inch value. Now this is nothing but called r minus 1. By Pythagoras theorem I can solve it very easily. See, this is your right angle there. So r minus 1 whole square, you'll get a quadratic equation. How many of you got the same value there? R minus 8 whole square plus is equal to r square. Let's calculate this. R square plus 1 minus 2r square plus 64 minus 16r equal to r square.
I can cancel 1 r square, 1 r square. Finally, the quadratic equation is r square minus 2 minus 18r. So plus 1 plus 64 will become 65. Now closely observe there, 13 5s are 65, minus 13 minus 5 will be minus 18. Automatically my roots are r minus 13 and r minus 5. Both are positive, but I cannot take down 5 now, because if I take 5, my this value will become negative. Negative values are not valid. So my r value must be equal to damn surely 13. Don't jump into conclusion. You are asked to find out diameter value. Diameter value is nothing but equal to 2r. 2r value is nothing but 20. There is 13 there. You will be jumping to give first option there. The question was asked diameter. 2r value is the question asked. 2r value is 26 inches. I hope so you got my point there. Clear? Yes, perfectly. We go for the next one, last one. Let's do this question. I'll end the session there. And previous question we'll do it tomorrow, okay? Try this. Please do try to hit the like button here. I can reach to more number of audience, right? Just want to make myself strong in this coterie. Stick of length 15 centimeters. As you are watching the session, right? If you like it, just hit a like button. Stick of length 15 centimeter leans on a sphere of radius 5 centimeter lying on the floor. A certain length of the stick extend beyond its point of contact with the sphere. Find this extended length if the point of contact is exactly 8 centimeter above the floor is the question asked. So you have to draw the diagram, visualize the diagram perfectly, then only you can solve the question easily. Answers. Let's see. So there is a sphere, it seems here. I'll take down this. A stick of length 15 centimeter leans on the sphere of radius 5 centimeters. So this is the ground. I'll take down this as ground. I'll take down this as a stick length. So some part of the stick is leaning beyond the sphere, it seems. This is 15 centimeter. So this will be the center of the circle. What I will do is I will take down this as radius of, the circle. Okay. Now see, this will also be radius of the circle. Yes, accepted. I'll take down some points there, so that we can understand it carefully. I'll take down this as 0. O, B, C, D. C, D. Now I can take down one more point here. Now see here, a certain length of stick extend beyond its contact with the sphere. Find its extended length if the point of contact, this point of is exactly 8 centimeter above the floor. Now see here, this is exactly 8 centimeter above the floor. Now this is 8. Now I can make down one more point there. So see here, from here to here, I'll draw a line segment. Now you closely observe there, this is nothing but called radius 5. Now from here to here, this will also be 5. Am I right or wrong? I'll take down some point there. O, X. Now XY length will also be 5. Yes, XY length will also be 5. Now CX length will be how much? 3, because total length is 8. Now everybody know this is radius 5. Now by this I can damn surely say this is 4, because this is a Pythagoras theorem. Right? So AY length will be 4. Will you accept with me? Perfectly done. Now see here, from an external point, if I draw two tangents onto the circle, automatically these two tangents will be of equal length. Now closely observe there, CB length. Suppose take, what shall I take? I'll take down P. AB length will also be P. Now what will be YB length? Will be P minus 4. Am I right or wrong? Yes. Now observe the triangle carefully. CYB, triangle CYB. It is a right angle triangle, everybody know. Now CY length will be 864 plus YB length will be P minus 4 whole square plus CB length is nothing but P square. Find out P square value, then automatically you can get the answer. 64 plus P square plus 16 minus 8P is equal to P square. P square gets cancelled. 8P is nothing but equal to how much? 80. Am I right or wrong? 64 plus. So P value is nothing but equal to 10. A P value is equal to 10. Total stick length is how much? 15. How much is leaning beyond the sphere? It is 5. Is your answer there? Your option number C. Have you got this? So those who can visualize the diagram perfectly can solve the question very, very easily, right? So how many of you got this logic there? Yes. So we'll continue with the remaining questions for tomorrow. I got many questions for you here. We'll solve all those best questions there. So as you all know, I deal with CAT, UPSC and GATE and DSC category. If you wish me as your guide, you can use my code NLN10 for plus subscription. You can use my code NLN10 for iconic subscription. Yes, you can unlock free classes using with my code NLN10. Yes, you can unlock combats using with my code NLN10. So these are the normal prices for plus, but you will be getting flat 20% discount, and the offer ends within 50 minutes here, 11:59 p.m. Those who are serious to join under my guidance or my group guidance, yes, use my code NLN10 where you will be getting 20% flat discount. Yes, and do try to join my special classes here, as I'm dealing many strategy sessions there. My classes have huge strength in special classes. You watch one session, automatically you'll come to my classes there. The interaction level will be 10x more than on YouTube channels. You can solve more number of questions in a best effective way. Okay. And yes, please do try to hit the like button here. If you like the session there, so that I can reach to more number of audience. Subscribe to the channel. Download the PDF from the communities. I'm sharing the notes in the community groups also. Right. So hit the bell icon to get the updates regarding my class. Thank you. Have a nice day. Good night.